All right, so we're back for another day. I ended up taking like a 1 hour ish, a 1 hour profit on what was like, I mean, how much is this? $146 because if I went with two, that's almost $300 risk. I didn't want to do, I did not want to go with that. This is, bro, I'm gonna be honest, this is annoying. This is really annoying because I've been, holding, and I see this shift, and then I'm like, okay, yeah, this 5 minute maybe gets front run. We've tried a couple of times to go there, we didn't go, and then we flipped bearish on the 1 minute. So I doubt we'll go there to my full take profit. So I'm just gonna take the trade here. Either way, I mean, look, I still would have not get tagged out for profit. Um, and Yeah, that said, um, I entered here. This was a market order. Simply because due to the fact like this is 257, 258, and I just expected like the next 1 minute candle just to expand higher. We failed to go here. This was like a 5 minute order block right here, I guess you can call it. And I just went with market order because I really doubted that we would go down here. So I would have not be confident in longing the wick through here, but I would be confident being in a long. Why can't this move? But I would be confident being in a long like somewhere here, and if it impulses higher. That said, I mean I think this was a good call. Could have definitely done this for better risk to reward, and I would probably get tagged out here. Um, yeah, but I kind of wanted to be safe with the stop down here because this was still the beginning and we could wick it out in the 1 hour. Then the 1 hour comes, we got this. There's still this fair value gap here holding. You get this simple candle up, you get this, then you get this break of structure. But at this point here, this is like what? A 5 minute, a new 5 minute candle. So I said, okay, new 5 minute power free. Need to wait, need to be patient again, because this could just be all part of manipulation. Then we go up, we break this, and I said, okay, now for sure we're going, because this looks really bullish to me up until this point. Now we're going. Retrace that whole candle here on the next 5 minute candle. And I'm like, okay, again, I need to be like very patient because this is a new 5 minute candle. We go, and then we slowly, go up, sell, go up, sell, go up, sell. Then here, this is like where a new 15-minute candle comes up. We get this candle right here. Then we get this close here, and I said, okay. I mean, ideally on the first few 15 minutes, we go there, and then we can sell off. But at this point, I'm keeping in mind. I mean, we don't have to sweep this high, and then turn bearish. We can just front run that high, giving the whole market conditions. We really don't have to sweep that and to turn bearish. So at this point, that idea was starting to forming in my mind. I said, okay, there's a chance I could get front run. Also, at this point, my stop loss was at break even right here. And I said, okay, yeah, sure, I'm just gonna wait. Then I see this sell off. I see this small order block holding. I said, so far so good. You get here a new 5 minute candle. I'm expecting like this closes here, then this goes higher for a little bit, and I'm like, okay, I'm expecting this. Like, I don't get the close here, but maybe we could go there. I'm expecting this to go. It doesn't go. It front runs me again. Then, you know, you get this break right here on this candle. I said, okay, at this point for me, that's it. Like, I'm just gonna take. We've tried several times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then even here, because at this point this candle looked very bullish. 5 times to try to go there. So I was like, okay, maybe this gets front run. So I'm just gonna exit on the break of structure. Ended up exiting there. That's like 150, which is not. I mean, I'm risking 200 usually. And it's been a common theme where like when this is not like a position sizing thing. This is not like when I'm risking 200, it's a losing trade because I want to make more. It's just simply due to the fact that I come here, I do one. Okay, one is 125, two is 290. I risk 250 at most. It's simply due to the fact that whenever I want to try and risk, whenever I go and risk 200 to 250, it gives me a loss. And then whenever I'm doing like below 200, it gives me a win. And this is just randomly. Um, and then, yeah, I mean, 145, I mean, I made 150 on this. If I'm risking like 200, that's not even 1R. This doesn't even cover a loss. I'm not complaining. I mean, yeah, it is what it is. I'm not going to get like every trade good. But it's just annoying because, taking that is not really like taking those and then taking a loss. And then taking these trades, taking a half R win is not really good to me. And then taking the full size trades, the ideal full size trades, and then taking a loss, like, man, what am I even doing? This is not even positive risk reward. If you're comparing like each loss to a win, not like the trade itself. So yeah, I mean, overall good execution. I was patient and I acted on this, which I still think it's fair. We might still go there, but look at all this drawdown that I need to suffer and endure. I mean, does this? Yeah, this still looks bullish. But yeah, overall good execution, good call on the market order. I'm trying to get more market orders in. I'm trying to see how I manage that. Maybe this here would be a good idea, like doing this and then go with two. Maybe that's my mistake here today. I don't know. I'm gonna ask my mentor and I'm gonna journal it and see what's the common theme running forwards. That said, a long video, 7 minutes. Hope you enjoyed. I see you guys tomorrow.